Hello students, today's lesson that is science and technology. In this lesson we are going to learn about the development and progress in the fields of science and technology in India. 10th August 1948 we established the Indian Atomic Energy Commission and it was by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. First chairman of the Indian Atomic Energy Commission was Dr. Homi Bhabha. Objectives of this commission was to produce electricity from atomic energy, increase the yield of food grains, develop nanotechnology, etc. Apsara 1656 nuclear reactor set up by the Department of Atomic Energy. Establishment of an atomic power station at Tarapur was in 1969. Reactor Research Center using thorium for generating atomic power was at Kalapakkam in Tamil Nadu. Institution for Manufacturing Heavy Water, that is Heavy Water Board. Science Day is celebrated on 28th February. India made nuclear reactor named Dhruva in 1985. Nuclear reactor that uses uranium as fuel was Dhruva. Company set up to generate electricity from atomic energy was Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited, that is NPCIL, was established in 1987. India's first nuclear test was on 18th May 1974 in Pokhran in Rajasthan. India's second nuclear test was on 11th May 1998. India tested the Prithvi missile in 1988. India tested Agni missile in 1989. Leader of the integrated guided was great personality Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Missile development program, missile given to Army Prithvi 1, Air Force Prithvi 2, Navy Prithvi 3. Purpose of Agni missiles to secure India's border against China and Pakistan. Purpose of Akash and Nag missiles. Akash to fire from land into air, Nag to destroy enemy tanks. Indian National Committee 1961 Tumba Equatorial Launch for Space Research, that is NCSR, launches India's first research rocket, that is centered in Kerala. Launch of rocket Rohini 75 was in 1969. Launch of first Indian satellite in 1975. Name was Aryabhat with the help of Soviet Union. Establishment of the Indian Space Research Organization, that is ISRO. 15th August 1969. Headquarters Bangalore. Launch of remote sensing experimental satellite from the Soviet Union was in 1979, that is Bhaskar 1. Launch of Bhaskar 2 was in 1981, that too Soviet Union helped. Launch of first completely indigenous built satellite by ISRO, that is we Indians, were Ariane passenger payload experiment, that is Apple. Launch of satellite INSAT-1B in space, August 1983. Manufacture of the first diesel engine, diesel locomotive works, Varanasi. Commencement of the textile service to transmit type message from one part of the country to another was started in 1963. Commencement of textile service in Devanagari script was started in 1969 in Delhi. Establishment of domestic satellite communication Earth station was launched in 1967 at Jodhpur, Tekra. Commencement of the 6th digit PIN code system by the Post and Telegraph was started on 15th August 1972. Commencement of the Speed Post service was launched in 1986. Service established to connect Mumbai and London directly on phone was International Subscriber Dial Telephone Service was launched in 1976. Commencement of mobile phone service in India was launched on 22nd August 1994. Services provided by the Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited, that is BSNL, telephone, cellular phone, internet, broadband was also started in India. Establishment of Oil and Natural Gas Commission, that is ONGC, was launched in 1956. Commencement of the computerized railway reservation system was launched in 1984 in Delhi. Start of the metro was in Kolkata in 1984. So through this chapter from 1948 to 1984, the journey of India and the progress of India in the fields of science and technology, what was the development we have seen through this lesson. Thank you, student. More detailed explanation I am going to explain you in the Zoom meeting. Thank you.